Hey y'all, welcome back. So I am excited to help you conquer those 2021 New Year's resolutions in style. What am I talking about? Our Glow Up collection with 31. I finally got my hands on it and I could not wait to make a video for you guys. So these products launched in January and they are going to be here while supplies last through the end of February. Okay, so you have Let's Go pouches in 3 different sizes, and we have that cinch up utility tote. So I have the 3 different sizes of the Let's Go. It's kind of a tongue twister. It's our Glow Up collection, and these are Let's Go pouches. So they come already pre-personalized. It's kind of like that print personalization here. So some fun little designs. So we have the small, medium, and large of these Let's Go pouches. And then each pouch has 2 different print options that you can choose from. So some fun little sayings on here. This one says, in a world where you can be anything, be happy. So I think this is so cute. So you've got a little handle right here on the side. This is great for kids. So I'm going to open it up. You're going to see that I have a ton of my 31 pins in here. Like, I don't even know. I've got to count these and do a guessing game in my VIP group. But this is great. I would think for small kids, for those Legos on the go, for crayons and markers on the go. I think this is just the perfect little pouch. Also great for medicine, okay? So this is that Let's Go pouch, the small. You guys are gonna laugh at this one, okay? This is the Let's Go pouch in the medium, and it says on here, every day is a fresh start. This is in like a shimmery blush pink color. It's so cute. Same thing on this side. You got a little handle right here if you want to grab it and go. And you're going to laugh at what I put in here just because I like to give you guys ideas of about how big things are, because I was honestly surprised at this one. It was a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. So I don't really know why, but it was just, I was just like, oh my goodness. But actually it was, maybe it's not as small as I thought it would be, but it was in the wrapper, it was really small, but when you open it up, it does hold more than you think it will. But this, I wanted to give you a little size comparison. You're gonna crack up. Okay, so I have 5 of the little, what are these? 8, like 7.5 ounce Cokes in here. So I have 5 of those in here. So I have 3 on the bottom and 2 on the top. And I just wanted to show you, like, it can hold something that wide in here. You guys probably think I'm just nuts, but I was trying to think of something that you might have so you could kind of see like how big it will, how much it will hold. Okay, and then the last one is the large. This is in that granite print. It's so pretty, sparkling. I think it was called sparkling granite. I love this print. It's got that handle here as well. I think this is like a great, like if you're going to the gym and maybe you exercise in the morning and you need to take a shower before you go to work or something, this would be great to have all of your toiletries in here, and you could even put it in the little cinch bag. But this is the large, and I have just some toiletry items in here just to show you. So just lots of stuff in here. You guys can see like I have a ton. And you can see these bottles right here, I let them stand up. So I have them standing up. So these are just like regular like Walmart, travel bottles. So they're standing up, and this still zips. And you can see I've got longer things, laid long ways in here. So this is the Let's Go pouch, the large. I'm struggling with those words. Okay, and then we have in this collection the Cinch utility tote. Okay, I think this is so beautiful. I love it. So this is in that granite print as well. This is that shadow personalization in white and white and charcoal, because I wanted it to match the charcoal straps here, and you have a pocket here on the front, and this is what it looks like when it's on your shoulder. So it's like this. I like that my arm has plenty of room here, and you'll see this is where these are the little cinch things on the side. So in true Andrea fashion, you guys know I have something crazy in here. So I have, like, you're not going to be taking, if this is your gym bag, of course you're not going to be taking a queen size blanket in here, but you guys know I like to show you size comparison here. So this is like a queen, like one of those hotel blankets. This was in we used this on our camper, and it was just down here in my office. So I wanted to show you guys that. And then on the bottom, you'll see that I have a pair of tennis shoes in here. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but there's my pair of tennis shoes in the bottom. So this can hold your tennis shoes, a queen size blanket if if you're carrying that around. But if you're taking a change of clothes somewhere, this is also great for kids. I mean, they don't need a big bag when they go overnight somewhere, so they can put their shoes in the bottom, their toiletries, and one of these little pouches. And I'll just show you what it looks like with all three of these in here. Hopefully this will work out like I want it to. Okay. So you can see my shoes are on the bottom, and I have all three of those pouches on the inside, okay? And then you guys know, I'm gonna cinch it up. See if this little cinch thing on the side. So you guys know about our 50/50 customer special, right? For every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item. So there's lots of ways to get what you want at a great deal, okay? So you can get the Cinch utility tote, and then you can get that small pouch, the smallest one, and that qualifies you to get something for half price. So we have the 3 Let's Go pouches. We have them in a bundle for you. If you get 3 of them in that bundle, you get them for $31, which is a good deal. But you could also decide that you might get another Cinch utility tote because you're gonna love the one that you have. You could get the Cinch utility tote in that marble print, which is so pretty. So get one for you, get one for your girlfriend, or as a gift, and I'm sure that they will love you. So there's lots of ways, like I said, to work the customer special to make it benefit you and your budget. And these are going to be great items to help keep you organized. So these little Let's Go pouches could even be used under your cabinets in your bathroom to organize things. You've got the different sizes. I mean, just think about all the ways that you can use these products. Even these Cinch utility totes, you can use them for your beach towels. Cinch them up and get them out of the way, and then they're ready to go when you need them this summer. So anyways, I hope that you love this collection. Remember that it's going to be going away at the end of February, so you'll want to grab it before it goes away. So again, thank you guys so much. If you don't have a consultant, I would love to be your new 31 girl. So I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook. So make sure that you join. Just click, and then it'll take you to Facebook. It's going to ask you 2 questions when you join my group. So make sure you answer those 2 questions, and then look for a private message from me. I'm going to send you a message. You might have to check that message request folder, or it may go to your spam folder, but check those folders for that reply back from me, and hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group. Maybe you're interested in starting off the new year with a side gig, a side hustle, and making a little extra money. I think we all love that, right? We can set up a time and chat and see if 31 might be a fit for you and your family. Or if you are loving these products and you just want to share them and earn some for free, let me set up a party link for you. You can share that link with your friends and your family, and then you earn the insider or the hostess rewards, which is fun too. So again, thanks so much for watching. Give me the thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any of my product videos. All right, see y'all soon. Bye.